coverage you can count on. This is WNEM TV5 News.
I mean, it's just a wonderful feeling that all this hard work is finally paid off.
After years of trying, a bill inspired by a tragic story is headed for the governor's desk. Today, the Michigan Senate passed Wyattts Law, which would create a database of convicted child abusers.
The mom behind the bill tells TV5's James Felton why this could be a game changer in protecting children from abuse.
Vote went great. Vote went unanimous. Can't ask for anything better than that.
Erica Hamill joining us on Zoom from Lansing, moments after the state Senate approved Wyatt's Law. The legislation is named after her 9-year-old son, Wyatt.
Wyatt, you want to say hi?
Hi.
He was abused as a baby by Hamill's ex-husband's girlfriend.
It's very monumental. It's very emotional. It's just a wonderful feeling that all this hard work is finally paid off.
Hamill tells us Wyatt's abuser had been convicted of child abuse twice before the incident with Wyatt. Hamill says she tried finding information online about this woman who would have access to Wyatt, but there wasn't anything anywhere about child abuse convictions.
This package of bills will not only identify publicly the people that have been convicted of serious child abuse, but it will also help the people that have been on the central registry for very, very minor things like, falling asleep and your child walks out the front door. So they shouldn't be punished for the rest of their lives for that. So that it'll expunge them from this list.
Wyatt's Law passed in the state house in December. After today's vote, the series of bills heads to Governor Gretchen Whitmer's desk. Hamill is hoping Whitmer signs the legislation into law. As for Wyatt, he has permanent brain damage, periodic seizures and migraines, and he's blind in his left eye. Hamill tells us his abuser was released from prison in 2020 after serving half of her sentence. She says this is why having Wyatt's Law is so important for children in Michigan.
It's really unfortunate that Wyatt's abuser is out because, she gave Wyatt a life sentence. I feel like abusers should have a life sentence themselves, but since we can't keep them behind bars, we as parents and guardians should know about them so we can keep our children away from them.
James Felton, WNEM TV5.
We reached out to Governor Whitmer's office to see if she would sign off on the bill. In a statement to TV5, her office said in part, it was great to see the legislature come together to pass another bipartisan bill, and we will closely review the final legislation to make sure it puts parents and children first.
Police are still